Hi there, in this video, I will be guiding you on how to choose the correct Aura ring size. Please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because this tutorial will help you to get the most comfortable and accurate fit for tracking sleep and activity. So first, use the Oura Ring sizing kit that comes within your order, and then you will place each sample ring on your finger and make sure it slides comfortably over your neck like this. And um the ring should feel snug but not tight, and it shouldn't rotate freely around your finger. And you will check the sizing guide in the Aura app if the feature is available for you, then you will see that guide or that that fitting guide or that sizing guide in there. So if you're between two sizes, you will choose the smaller size for a secure fit. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.